If you are new to the online space and you are looking for a simple thing you can do to start making money immediately, then these 6 Fiverr gigs I'm about to share with you will do just that. These are things you can do today with your smartphone. They require zero skill, zero knowledge, zero experience, and they are open worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can start immediately after watching this video. Not only will I show you those tasks you can do to make money, I will also show you places where you can get this task done with a click of a button. Deliver it and get paid. The first and the fifth are my favorites. Now, hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money using your smartphone, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. And in today's video, I have something amazing for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Fiverr is an online freelancing platform where you create a free account, list services you offer, and then you get people from different parts of the world pay you to do that. The first Fiverr gig you can start today with zero experience and get paid hundreds of dollars is being a virtual friend. Yes, now there are lots of lonely people out there who are looking for who to spend time chatting with, sharing ideas, discussing, even playing games. And that's exactly what you get paid on this platform to do. Now look at this. You see a lot of people who are making money from being just virtual friend. I will be your trusted friend. I will play Minecraft with you. I will be your rented friend. I will be an empathic listener, friend, and life coach. And these guys are charging $5, $10, $20. This is definitely something you want to try because being a friend is something anybody can do. The second easy Fiverr gig you can start today is video subtitling. Now, this requires a little work, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do this with clicks of buttons. Video subtitling is basically providing a textual translation of a video's dialogue. For instance, this video you are watching right now, I pay you $10 to $20 to put the subtitle. So you basically listen to the words and then write them as I speak. That's what you do. Now, this may sound like a big work, but it's not. There are softwares that literally do this work for you. So when someone pays you to add a subtitle to their video, you simply upload the video, click on a button, and you automatically add those words. What you need to do would be to go through this text and make sure that they are correct. And then you download this video, send it to the owner, and you collect your money. This is the website where you're going to get this job done with clicks of button. It says Auto Subtitle Generator. Our AI-powered subtitle generator automatically creates subtitles and captions for all of your online videos. And guess what? This is free. All you need is come over here, create a free account, go on and upload the video. The name of this website is Capwing. Come over here, click on Generate Subtitles, and it's going to open for you to upload the video. Once it opens, you come over here, click on choose a video. You can also come over here and click on upload a video. So when you click on choose a video, it's going to allow you select a video. It starts uploading. Okay, if you look at this, the video is already uploaded here. Scroll down to the button here and click on auto subtitle. Okay, and then play the video, and it automatically starts generating auto subtitle. Go through the text to make sure that everything is perfect. You come over here and click on export project, and then you download it and send it to the client. Pocket your money. The third easy Fiverr gigs you can do today is translation. Translation is basically converting the meaning of a written message or text from one language to another. So an English author wants to convert a book from English to French so she can sell the book in French-speaking countries. And they are here looking for you. Guess what? This is something you can do with clicks of button. You don't need to know how to speak French because Google Translate will do this for you. So Google Translate simply converts any document uploaded on it from original language to whatever language you want it to be in. This is Google Translate. All you need is come over here and enter the text. So when we paste English text here and click on translate, it's going to automatically translate the text to French. You scroll down to the bottom of this and you just need to go on and click on this button here to copy the text. Do corrections and editing here and there, and then you send it to your client. Alternatively, you can copy it now. Look for someone that is very fluent in French. give the person the job, and then pay them a token from what you got from your clients, and then they go on to review the work. This person is charging $5. I will provide top quality English to Japanese translation, and he's done over 1,000 tasks on this platform. I will translate English to Spanish with perfect grammar. Over 891 reviews. Everyone here has done hundreds and thousands of jobs. So there are lots of opportunities here. Links to all the websites I mentioned here are contained in the description of the next easy Fiverr gig is social media graphics. Everyone out there who is online needs graphics for our daily content. Equally, there are a lot of offers here for this particular design gigs. For you to do this and make money from it, you need to know how to do graphics. And this is something you can learn because graphic design isn't difficult, especially with Canva. So Canva is a pre-made template that has everything you would ever need already done for you. All you do is tweak what is already available, add colors, text, change things, change images, and the work is ready. Here comes the fifth one, which is something I love so much, and this is writing. With images of AI, ChatGPT, anybody can be a writer. So this includes blog posts, ebook writing, podcast writing, just anything writing. So writing is no longer a big deal today. All you need is just know the prompt, tell it to be SEO optimized, write 1,000 words, add introduction, opening, closing. Just talk to your ChatGPT like you would talk to an assistant, and it will get this work delivered happily in few minutes. Go through the content is already provided for you, edit it, infuse your personal experience, give it your personal touch. This way it becomes a content that is original and also relatable. So let's look at various gigs on writing people are making money from on Fiverr. You are going to see a whole lot of offers. People are charging $15, $30, $80, $120, and the rest. This is definitely something you want to explore and then start getting paid to do the writing. Sixth gig is image editing. You basically give an image a finishing touch to make it look more beautiful, and in some cases you just get paid to remove image background. Yes, and this is something you do with a click of a button. A platform called Remove BG, which allows you to remove a background from an image. So let's look at gigs on this. You come over here, you see image editing, and you see a lot of tasks here that people are doing and making money from. You see people have done over 1,000 tasks on this platform. This one here is all about removing an image background. You can see how many gigs these guys have done. Now, this is something you can do with your smartphone. If you already have the skill, get on this platform, create a free account, and start taking tasks. If you don't have the skill, you can decide to take a few weeks and learn the skill. Let me know in the comment section the one that interests you the most, the one you're going to start immediately. Links to create a free Fiverr account is contained in the description of the video. There are other two platforms like Fiverr where you can also list your services and get paid. The thing is, you need to spread your tentacles. You don't need to limit yourself to Fiverr. So the second website is Upwork, and the third one is freelancer.com. Go to those platforms and create same gig. So if it doesn't come this way, it will come this way.